What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix this slider revolution issue that appears when you import some slider into a new WordPress website, okay? There is nothing to show here. Have you ever noticed this issue on your WordPress slider? It's quite simple to fix it, but slider revolution hide things, so let's show how to do this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over slider revolution, okay? Should be one of the into the very end of the left sidebar of menus. Click on slider revolution and find the slider that should be into this page, okay? In my case, the slider name is blog, so click into this edit icon into blog slider so we can load the editor. Now review the right sidebar of menus on the slider. We have title, layout, content, diffuse. So go to content. Once on content, scroll down. This is a post-based slider, so it should load the posts present on the WordPress website. So scroll down just a little bit on content. And right here we have post selection. This is the most important part. On post selection, we should select a category, okay? So select one category, another. You can select as many categories as you need, okay? Just like this. After selecting the categories, all I have to do is save. In the case that your post is based into another content, for example, it's based into other parts or products, for example, you need to select categories as well. Even if you import the WordPress theme demo, this will not be imported. So save the change, clear the site cache, and refresh the slider page error. And here is the slider appearing, showing my blog posts. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.